Should I have more than one Instagram profile? The most important question to answer is, why are you doing it? What's the end result? Here's something to consider. If you're aiming to sell a product, a service or whatever it is, if the messaging, if your target audience is very different from your current profile, I think that's when it's the appropriate time to switch and create a different audience. If it falls under the same audience, I don't see the need for it. For example, you're a professional dancer and you also do professional carpentry as well somehow. It just wouldn't make sense to put it together unless you somehow weave it together into one story that makes sense. Otherwise, if you're trying to promote your carpentry and you sell custom-made tables, and then you're also trying to promote yourself as a professional dancer for music videos, that's where I think it would make sense to have two different profiles. Target audience is insanely different, services is completely different, messaging is completely different. So I think that's where it would make sense. It's super important to find your niche, or niche, however people say it. Finding the one topic that you can talk about forever, something that you're really insanely passionate about. But I can talk about learning how to break dance for hours, and like the philosophy and inspirational end of dance and movement. That's why I created another channel called How to Break Dance for Beginners, which is all dedicated to learning how to break dance. Very simple tutorials, and the target audience for that is for people who have never learned how to dance and who want to learn. And I think it really comes back down to the story that you're trying to tell for your ideal audience. Are you trying to empower them? Are you trying to educate them? Are you trying to entertain them? So it's those 3 E's, I think, that you got to consider whenever you start posting up content on your profile. I think this question not just answers this, but also for people who have YouTube channels. If you want to have a separate vlogging channel or separate, same rules apply there. Figure out why you're doing it, and is the content you're creating, is it for 2 separate target audiences, or is it just one? So those are some things to consider if you want to create a separate profile or channel. Again, hope that answers your question. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys got any questions. Share this with friends, homies, girlfriends, family members who you think might benefit from it. I want to end this one off with a question, actually, because I'm a little curious about it. Is, do you guys have more than one Instagram profile or YouTube channel? And not only share your links so I can check it out, but I'm really curious as to why you do. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.